Hey there, my peeps. So we have an unboxing and unpackaging video. We got a couple of items that were sent to me by a couple of people. So first, this is from a YouTuber, Chris, from Mr. Grow It. That is his YouTube channel, Mr. Grow It. So check him out, subscribe, and check out his content. And this is something that I purchased a while ago. I got from Amazon. It's for my lower back. Let's see. And this is from TNB Naturals. Um, Organic Natural CO2. I forgot the people that I spoke to, but this was through Facebook. I reached out to them and they sent me a free sample kit. As I told them that I can't haul CO2 tanks because of my lower back. Yes, so. And then when I spoke to Ecological Laboratories, I spoke to this, I think the vice president or the CEO, I don't recall, but this is going to be for aquaponics system, and yeah, make mainly microbes for the soil and teas and stuff like that. This one is from Grow Switch. I also got in contact with either the CEO or the vice president or somebody, and they sent me free samples. All of these are free samples, or I just paid for the shipping, or I forgot. But it's been a while. That's why, to be honest, my peeps. But all of these things, they've been pending. It's been, I would say, like maybe 6 months that they were just sitting there. But yeah, it's already 2020. These things were from 2019, so literally it's been a while. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, alright, my peeps? We're gonna see what they sent me, and that's it. Alright. Yep, sample.